Alright guys, this is my last box here. They're pretty active. I've got stung quite a few times in my forearms. Alright. A little smoke here. I'm gonna cover these guys right here a little bit. All right. Ball it up right there and just drop it. All right. Here we go. Let's give these guys some supplement here. Let me give them a little bit more. Smoke them down a little bit. I'm going to have to put some kind of wedge under all these hives. I'm facing uphill, so naturally water is collecting in the back. Alright, these guys will calm down a little bit and hopefully not bother anybody over there or over there. That's where my office is. I've shot a few videos from inside my office. It looks a lot like a camper.